Hi everybody, my name is Arthur and today we're going to talk about InvArch, a project that has a chance to become the standard for decentralized development and managing intellectual property. It lays the foundation for many commercial use cases, such as commercial libraries for blockchain development, paid multimedia on the blockchain, and most excitingly, the new ways to collaborate on decentralized projects. Also, it features IP staking, rewards for IP creators and dApp developers, and many more. InvArch team has plans to get a Polkadot parachain slot in 2022. They received a Web3 grant and recently they closed the seed round with a $25 million valuation for 7% of the token supply. InvArch is a protocol to tokenize any ideas in the form of NFTs and distribute their ownership between all contributors in a secure blockchain environment. Ideas won't get lost because they will be stored on an immutable ledger and they are protected by a plagiarism detection system. The protocol has several main components: the Polkadot relay chain, which secure InvArch; InvArch parachain, used for minting all new intellectual property files and checking them for plagiarism. It's also used for staking and governance. A cross-chain IP palette module, which essentially does the same as the main parachain, except the plagiarism verification still handled by the parachain. The main units of the InvArch ecosystem are the following assets: intellectual property files, or IPF. Each IPF is an NFT containing a file with the necessary information, such as designs, code, media files, or something else. All IP files are stored on IPFS infrastructure. IP sets. Every IP set is a product idea or implementation consisting of one or many IP files that describe or contain that idea. It can be a code library, music album, a gallery of paintings, the blueprints of a new smartphone, a smart contract, or a whole dApp. Intellectual property token, or IPT. This type of token confirms the ownership or other types of rights over an IP set, and it can be divided among multiple addresses or owners. IPT token will be completely programmable, and creators of IP sets will be able to define the utility and the use case for IP tokens. The number of IP tokens for each IP set is defined by the creator, but it can be changed later by IPT holders via voting. The InvArch parachain is a substrate-based blockchain fully supporting EVM and WebAssembly technologies. Its main token is Varch, used for staking, governance, and paying fees. 40% of the network fees goes to collators, 25% of the fees goes to the on-chain treasury, and 35% goes to IP set owners. Here comes one of the most innovative InvArch incentives: substaking. Every user can vote for any IP set with her Varch tokens during the process of delegating them to collators. Any IP set is eligible, an idea or a dApp still in progress or already deployed. Users also will be able to divert a portion of their staking rewards to an IP set in exchange for a portion of its IP tokens, which can be used to raise funds for promising ideas. So InvArch is basically the network that hosts projects, ideas. However, it covers the full cycle of the project's life, from the idea to deployment, and applies the same principles to dApps. dApp developers have a chance to receive rewards in the network's native tokens as well. So overall, InvArch is the first blockchain for managing IP rights, but in addition it has well-thought tokenomics, staking, and governance, a new model of rewards for IP owners and dApp developers, EVM and WebAssembly support, decentralized KYC integration, and even its own substrate palette module. The project has a large developer community and actively grows its ambassador program. You can find more details in the description of this video. We believe in InvArch goals and future and will continue to provide you with new information about its development. Stay tuned.